Jonathan from Tentworld Midland here with a few new products. If you're like me, when you were growing up, your favourite things about camping were pancakes in the morning and marshmallows at night. However, if you were cooking over your campfire, you had a few issues with getting all the way out there. Luckily, AFN had this new range of expandable spatulas and marshmallow forks. So your spatula here goes from 26 to 63 centimeters in length, whereas your fork is 25 to 84. You can even fit two of our giant campfire roasters, which we sell in store as well, on either end if you like extra big marshmallows. Come check them out in our camping stores today.